This location actually is a former railway track. So there used to be a train that was going above the track, but they took away everything like 2 years ago. And we thought it would be nice to bring back the history in light.
It was nice to use the twig picture because it was exactly those like parallel lines that we could just use to make that translation of the railway. So we choose to do for like 4 parallel lighting, like the fixtures, to have like exactly the translation of the railway track that was laying above.
We did this project because this is has been a very rundown area, and in the past years a lot of developments have been taking place to actually enhance the nice qualities of this area. These pathways were very dark and people didn't really dare to go through it. We wanted to give a pleasant place